Don't think the puddles are there, my darling. I think it's rained hard enough. And probably still just all boggy like they were the other day. Come on. Let me just throw it. No? Oh, no, the puddle's there. I don't want to kick you on the nose by accident. Ugh. Now I'm wet. Yeah. Look at that face. Look at mummy. Ooh. Don't want to get too close. I get mud everywhere. Right. Ah, dear. Well, the next one is normally slightly bigger. Was that good? Some people think I'm mad because I let him play in puddles, but he really enjoys it, so I don't see the harm with it. Oops. There's the harm in letting him do what he likes to do. Oh, that's a bit of a disappointment. Boris, come here. That's a bit disappointing, that puddle, isn't it? You don't want to go in it. Right, watch where you're going. We're going up that way. Quickest way to get him clean again. Make him run through the bracken. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Leave it. Leave it. No, we're not going to throw it that way. Come here. And go that way. Got a hard one. Oh yes! Clever boy! Clever boy! And he's all clean again. Wait. Leave it. Do another one. Where are you going? Nearly went the wrong way. You found it? Oh, no you haven't. Go on, in again. Yep. Good lad. Clever boy, aren't you? Oh, and even the tennis balls had a bit of a clean too.